Hello guys, welcome back with Anisha. I know it's been a while that I didn't posted a video. It was just I was little busy with my other commitments and it was very important, so had to give that time. But I'm back. So I'll be posting regular videos like I used to. So today I'm here to show you a glimpse of our Onam celebration and papad recipe, which was a lot of you requested. So in a kadhai, we took 8 cups of water and we added 3 tablespoons of salt. Salt, of course, you can adjust to your taste. And 1 cup of suji. Once the water gets boiling, we'll add suji like this, little at a time, and we'll just need to mix it regularly so that it doesn't form lumps. It'll hardly take 2 to 3 minutes and the suji will be cooked. So it's almost done. You can see we'll take another 30 seconds more and it will be ready. So now it is almost done, guys. Now you can see the consistency here. So now for flavor you can add anything. This time we are adding a teaspoon of ajwain. Last time we added cumin seed and before that we added kasuri methi. It's up to you, your taste, what you want. If you want, you can just skip this step as well. Now we'll just keep the batter for 2 to 3 minutes so that it's not piping hot while pouring on the sheet. You can use any sheet, plastic sheet or rubber sheet. And if you don't have anything, obviously you can use our atta or rice wrap covers. And then we'll pour the batter like this. If you're not able to make exact circular shape, it's alright. You can pour it according to your convenience, of course. So that's it, guys. Now we'll put this to dry. A tip here, we are making this papad in the evening. So we'll let it dry for overnight. So it's been almost 12 hours. You can see next day, it is day 2 if you want to say. My mother is peeling the papad like this and it will come off easily. It won't be a taxing task. So here it is. Now I'll show you the next. This is how it looks. You know, once you flip the papad, it'll come off very easily, so don't worry about that. And see, it looks like this. That was the back side, now which will be the front side. And now we'll just let it dry for some days. Now it's been almost 24 hours. You can see our papad are partially dry, if I can say. It's transparent or translucent, but there are white spots. Once it will be nicely dried, everything will be looking exactly a translucent sort of a thing. So let's now quickly go to day number 3. Just try to just flip the papad whenever it's possible in 10 to 12 hours. So this is final day. Our papad is ready. This is the bitter gourd or karela dried, sun dried, and this is our papad final day. So our papad is ready for our Onam preparation as well. Isn't it simple, guys? Do try this and do let me know. And it was Onam. So on the Onam day, first thing in the morning, we all are making this pookalam, we say. It's a rangoli made of flowers, fresh flowers. And so once that was done, we made our lunch. So you can see how beautiful it looks. So once that was done, we made our lunch also. Sorry, I was not able to shoot everything. So this is beans fry. This is beetroot pachadi say. It's curd and beetroot, and that was payasam. And this is ginger chutney, which is made up of a lot of ginger and tamarind. And that one is mango pachadi, which is made up of raw mango and some coconut milk. That's lemon pickle. This is some kalan, and this is avial, lot of vegetables, and this is cabbage fry with a lot of coconut, rice, and of course sambar and some banana. I guess I didn't shoot the papad. So thank you for watching guys, and subscribe my channel, and of course see you soon.